Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to offer my in-depth test of the BLACKVIEW W70 PRO smartwatch with you today. This chic and fascinating device, which I recently got to review, will be on sale for just $29 in the official store from March 17th to 26th via the link below this video. You may save even more money by using discounts and promo codes. I suggest viewing this video through to the finish before placing your order. Even though I wouldn't consider myself a wristwatch enthusiast, I'm always interested in trying out new devices, particularly those that are feature-rich and reasonably priced. The BLACKVIEW W70 PRO is just one of many low-cost Chinese smartwatches that are getting more and more useful. Many smartphone features can now be replaced by these watches, so you can make calls, send and receive texts, and do much more without taking your phone out of your pocket. The watch casing has a magnetic charging contact and health monitoring sensors on the rear. A sizable 2-inch rectangular screen with 320 by 200 pixel resolution is located on the front. Despite not being an AMOLED display, it is completely touch-sensitive, bright, and responsive. 2 buttons are located on the right side of the case, one to access the expanded menu with sports modes and settings, and another to switch the screen on or off and return to the main screen. A button for turning on the flashlight is located on the left side. The compass is another intriguing feature. Although a little awkward, it does work and can identify the cardinal directions. Unexpectedly, the watch also has archaic games, though I doubt many people will be interested in them. With its integrated speaker and microphone, the BLACKVIEW W70 PRO is unique in that it allows you to communicate with a voice assistant, make calls, and receive notifications. The device is powered by a powerful processor and has an outstanding 900 mAh battery for a smartwatch. With moderate use, it can last up to a week on single charge, and it takes roughly 2.5 hours to fully charge. The watch is appropriate for swimming and outdoor sports because it is resistant to shock, water, and dust. You can test current conditions and forecasts right on the watch thanks to the weather feature that syncs with your smartphone. You may use the watch to make calls because it can save up to 100 contacts from your phone book. If necessary, you can also dial random numbers. Calling up voice assistant and interacting with it directly through the watch is one of more intriguing aspects. During my testing, the watch functions flawlessly, has steady connection, and didn't have any serious issues. Even while it doesn't function as well as more expensive models like Apple Watch, it's crucial to keep in mind that it's still reasonably priced. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new watch? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.